What's up? What's up? It is Sean Ali here from the affiliateprofitmethod.com. And today, check this out. Today, April 20th, I will refresh my screen. This is a YouTube ads account that I have running right now. And you can see so far today, April 20th, I have spent $1,500. And my cost per purchase, my CPA for today is at $28. More important is that I've spent 1,500 today, and I'm at $6,000 in gross sales. Huge profits. This is what you're going to learn inside of the affiliate profit method, the YouTube course. So get super excited because I'm about to show you behind the scenes how I'm generating two, three, four, $5,000 a day in profits every day during any type of crisis, corona, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter. Now is the time to learn this, study this, become an expert. I'll see you inside the course. Sean Ali signing out.